Howdy, boys and girls, for our Mike Atchie here. ALOA was magnificent. I have to admit that is a hell of a show. Some great stuff out there. Some stuff to be scored. And I managed to score myself a couple of new Lishis, and we're going to play with them just to see how beginner friendly they really are. So we've got the M1 for master padlocks, and I went ahead and got the AM5 because I've got a few American padlocks that have been giving me difficulty. So let's go see what she'll do. As if we're using a brand new off the shelf, we're going to give this a whirl. We have a key that works, opens, closes, does what it's supposed to. So now we will tuck it in here. Get some of that pulled back so I don't have to deal with that. Put a little binding on it. Let's see, which one do I want here? I need the M1. Again, if they wouldn't let me take it out, you can look on the back. It's got the official Mr. Lishi logo. So let's open this guy, and let's insert. And we're going to put very light and moderate pressure. We're on springy. Oh my word. That was cool. That was quick. That was simple. That was painless. Let's do it again. Just to find out that was just beginner's luck. I think that was just beginner's luck. All right. Moderate pressure. Springy. And there she goes again. I guess I could have decoded it. All right, you know what? Let's do that. Let's do a decode while we're in position. I haven't even bothered with that yet because, opening's good enough, so. All right, so now we have it turned. So our 1 is a 5. 2 is a 6. Let's write this down. Five, 6. Number 3 is a 5. 4 is a 4. 5, 4. Now this key has a code of 2396, but if I look at it, 5, 4. No, 5, 6. 5, 4. Yeah, that looks about right. Just eyeballing it. Alrighty, Mr. Lishi and the Master Padlock was a raging success. That is so impressive. I am so pleased with the going ahead and spending the money for this because this is well worth it. You saw it. Mr. Lishi did very well.